Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today we're going to try to see if we can't get these 1030s up and running. So let me give you a little back history on these. I bought these from a viewer of the channel. He contacted me, said they had a bunch of old equipment and some tractors and stuff that they wanted to get rid of. So we went out there, me and the doc and Joe went out there and we looked at the stuff, and we decided to go ahead and purchase the two tractors, even though they'd been sitting in a barn for roughly about 10 to 5 to 10, you know, somewhere in that time frame. This girl's been longer than this girl's when it comes in the time. This one might be the 10 and this is probably the 5 years of sitting in the barn. So and I wish I had a chance to go with Joe when he picked these up for me and bring them here. So he just used his telehandler, pulled them out of the barn, shoved them up on his trailer, and brought them up here. So the doc's tinkered on them. He said the pumps look good, everything looks all right, and he said let's give it a shot. Instead of trying to put batteries on them and cranking, I think the best on these is we're just going to try to pull start. And so I think that's going to be the easiest way. I can't think of much else. So me and the doc discussed for a while too what was going to be heavy enough to try to pull start these things, and only thing I could come up with is the crawler before it leaves. So I'm going to have the doc bring the crawler over, and we're going to see if we can't get these things to pull start. So let's see what happens. Here's the plan. So it's hooked up to this. I'm going to get up in here, and I'm going to have the doc pull me. Once we get going in a straight line here, I'm going to let off the clutch. I'll be in high gear, see if we can't turn this thing over and get it to fire. When we rolled it off the trailer, we had the motor turning over and it smoked a little bit, but I don't know. I mean, it may go, it may not go. And then once we get this one to go, we'll try this one, but we're just going to see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. put the crawler by the back fence. All right. Oh, hold on. Let's get out of high. They run, both of them, both started up, good. There are a few things, Doc.
Yes.
The first one, the Wheatland, is going to require all gauges. I didn't need nothing gauges in there. There are some brackets. It had absolutely no power steering. The charging bracket's gone. I noticed that. Otherwise, a good bath and some tires, and it would be good. And I really, really, really want to keep that one for myself. I'll think about buying it from the lot. I really just may do that. I really want that one. The general purpose, that was the other one. Besides the tire that wouldn't air up and we just finished ruining, it needs some cleaning up. We already know it needs a starter solenoid. Knew that from day one. All the gauges seem like they didn't kick in once we got going, but both of those are going to require you to start at the front weights and end at the drawbar. So, and now I think we're going to have to make a 1030 case shirt for the shop too. So
we'd only sell one, just you.
Just me. Anyways, so, but otherwise, guys, thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll keep you updated on what goes on with them, and we'll go from there. I'll see you next week.